Coming at the bottom. Right about and keep going. And right about now. I'm making a bend for the bottom. There you go. Got a double bend.
It's nice and clean.
So far.
Got crazy with the glue.
You can go.
Take it nice and slow for show and prove here.
Step it up just a little bit. It's going to be PVC all the way out, so.
Yeah, that is challenging.
I think see just fine now. It's because my face is right in front of it. Once your eyes adjust, though, to look at the mirror of it, so I see you pushing it in, that makes it confusing.
Two different images on the screen.
Yeah, one of them's fucking uglier than shit.
Noted your face is right in front of it.
Oh! Oh, nice recovery. Nice recovery. You'll fit in good.
Don't call it the dirty show for nothing now.
Osha? Osh. What's your name?
Audra.
Audra.
That's my granddaddy's name. Our great granddaddy's name.
Oh, that's right.
I had a choice between the name that my father gave me, which was named after freaking Leonard Skinner.
Okay, stop. Back it up a little bit. A little more. Yep, there's the city tap right there. Alright.